Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I'm so angry. Like, I'm very angry. I don't know how our people, how they do things sometimes. I'm so angry. I don't understand what did they happen. No, what did they happen? Safe, my people. Now, good evening. Mona not very say we use our live video till they disturb on this evening. But on the real fact, what is going on? About this Ebony matter, Ebony da. What did Ebony do? I be not be the live video where me watch, where everybody watch. Because I was watching that live broadcast where Ebony did live video that day. Not be the same live video again, another live video again. Where Ebony do where me not know. You get another live video where Ebony do where me not know. Or where everybody know, me not they understand. I'm not against Ebony not to apologize. So if they ask Ebony to apologize, I mean, if the elderly people ask Ebony, but me not they understand what the Apple said. That's why they judge matter. Eh, we ya boje ave do ya bonye. Man, I me woman egbane do at the verse, my people. Man, I me woman egbane do when it comes to Benin people, it must be different. This is where everybody just the Ebony. They happen for English movie. We know the year, and we know the year they cough. Everybody gets your life to live. There are people that is proud. There are people that is quiet. Everybody has their own life to live. What did they stop? Why? I'm not against Ebony not apologizing, but the way they are taking it, it looks like they have personal problem with her. You know right now, my people, Mona, calm down. You know right. The way you guys are taking this problem of Ebony, as if that you guys have a personal thing, it looks jealousy. It's too much. It's too obvious. What did Ebony do? Even everybody has his own best. Everybody, if I ask you now, people watching me right now, that who is your favorite musician, you will not call everybody. You will call one person. Say that this person, so this person, that is my favorite musician. Everybody has a favorite. Even if say, see me to wake up, even if say get 10 musicians for Benin, everybody gets your favorite musician. Assuming that Ebony now use the mask sing that music, I go say, okay, I understand what you are the verse for. Say, oh, he's the one, or he's the one, now I condemn everybody, because they condemn other people because she don't sing. Not be Ebony sing. What did they happen? Not be Ebony sing, na person singer for her. My people know that they calm down. This is wrong. You cannot just suspend somebody like that and even put it, say, may other people not associate with her. It not right at all from nowhere. I mean, you guys can call her and say, Bonnie, this thing that you do, we don't like it. Oh, don't use this kind of statement again next time. Change. We don't want to hear this kind of thing from you. But I don't understand. The last time I checked, we all have a freedom of speech. We have a freedom of speech. Ebony not be baby again. She's an actress. She has right to talk if she wants to talk. And me, the jealousy is so obvious. Please share this live broadcast. If I'm making sense to you, not be the one where if it's not it makes sense. It costs you nothing, not be saga, please. People really need to know this. I'm not asking Ebony. Ebony can apologize if she wants to. It's normal. Okay, if some people, but not the way they call her. Those people call her out and embarrass her, they disgrace her. Nobody even look at that way. Imagine you are telling an actress, a public figure, say, now so that they do the vagara there, now say they do the vagara this one, now say they do the vagara that one. You not even come out to say, Ebony, this the way they do so not good though. Not to say now only two people that be the best singer for Benin, or now only this one that be the best actress. You guys come out to disgrace her just like the way you guys want to do. He get any girl for that Benin there when not they follow Sugar Daddy. He get any girl for that Benin there. He get any girl for that Benin girl when not they follow people husband. I beg you, what did they stop? He get any girl when not they follow people husband for Benin there. We don't know the story. Is it from Benin movie or English movie? Now the same thing all of they do. The film when they do not they give una money. It's not good. Now, this is wrong. Now, wrong judgment. In short, is unacceptable by us. As soon as get people who hate Ebony. Now, some people who love Ebony be. And now some people who they see truth. Assuming Ebony did something. Assuming Ebony mentioned anybody name. Ebony is just like every other one. There's some of them there. When they see the video, when they do, when they throw what to each other. All of them are throwing what to each other with their video. All of them. Why Ebony you can't they different? Why Ebony you can't they different? They bavo. Nebony why Agbekbo are UK. Since Ebony have been going to United Kingdom, he has been one problem and other. It's so wrong, my people. It's so wrong, my people. Maybe they use our HQ. You want tell me say Ebony now show off past many of them for this social media? Are you trying to tell me say Ebony matter worse past many of them for this media? All of the way they gang up against Ebony, they themselves they do their own. Maybe not just they take this too personal, they hate somebody so deeply. No. Listen, I cannot be you. You cannot be me. Linda, please, I'm not putting fire. Calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. We are not into Benin movie, but now we they watch the movie. If not we where they watch the movie, they're not go act tomorrow. We don't act film, yes, but we are the one promoting it. If we don't do it, they're not go act tomorrow. If Benin movie not they sell, if nobody they watch her, they're not go continue to do it. So calm down, my dear. I'm not here to insult anybody. And don't insult me too, Linda. Please, I beg you in the name of God. So take a chill pee. What I am trying to say is that this is not how to go about it. They could have at least warned her. Even all of us as a mother or father, with a born bad speaking, if I told Ebony don't bad. Here what mother when you give birth to a bad child, now only advice that you go advise that pikin, you don't feel killer. If I told that Ebony is really that bad as people are saying it, this is not how to solve the issue. You call her to the meeting. Una go talk to her. Una go call her to the meeting. Una please share this live broadcast. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, don't be greedy. Cost you nothing. Please. Thank you very much. I'm not insulting nobody. I promise you. Please share this live broadcast. Please. Una go call her to order. Una go talk to her. Una go talk to her. Say, Ebony, your colleague, and if I told that anybody want to complain about Ebony, it's not people that has problem with Ebony for crying out loud. If you do, why use them when you with me? If anybody want to judge Ebony, not be people who get problem with Ebony, get right to even come out when they go even give list here. And I get a meeting a baby in Wajeni, maybe in Wajeni, and my having name why I need gele. Here I get how many matter. Be my very only not Ebony ladia. When get problem with Ebony, so post contact say with Ebony they do not good. Because so long that they have problem with Ebony, they will never see good in Ebony. So long that they have problem with Ebony, there is nothing good that Ebony do when they go see say good. Because they have problem with Ebony. He get the kind of people when go call Ebony, say Ebony come. How you take talk this thing? How you take talk this thing, not Jay? No be people who get problem with Ebony go come and call talker. Never. It's not done nowhere. It's not done nowhere. Because somebody who hates you, somebody who hates you will never see the good in you. Somebody who don't like you will not see the best in you. Somebody who hates you will always want to see you fall. Even when you are eating, they don't want you to eat when they know that eating is important. Somebody who don't like you don't want to see anything glory or joy in your body. This is the facts. My people know. Walawo wo. Wagia gweze mata. Imare go table on anybody. Wagia gweze mata. Waga mata. Wa gweze mata. Why ga gezo oge? Why ga gweze owo ma moma? Why ga gwezo owo ma moma? Why you gwezo we wa mo woman na we wa kuku wa boku gbe na gbewa? It don't work like that. In this life, if you like start a race with somebody, there are people that will pass you. Some people did this live video today, they'll just go today, they pass. Now so it be for movie industry. Some people go start their film today, they go pass you. the race go pass you. Now so life be is normal. They said overtaking is allowed in this life. Don't be jealous of anybody. Don't be jealous. If everybody is pompous, if everybody is rude, if everybody is saying that the capacity they show off, now lifestyle. Now everybody lifestyle be one. Make una dey late to accept people. So long as everybody not be liar. Everybody never come out to the fear. But we not sick baby. And the way everybody has never come out to say, I have one mansion. Oh, my people, look at mansion. What did they get? They even they do that they jealous her. She dressed, she wear human hair, she travel out of the country. Only that one. Everybody never show mansion. Everybody has never show a very big car, big Mercedes Benz. Everybody never really show off compared to some people on media. So why are you guys jealous in her? Why una they carry her up and down? If everybody, if una don't like Ebony, fine. If you guys don't like Ebony, it's okay, no problem, it's normal. Everybody must not like you, just like the way you are watching me. Some people like me, some don't like me. Some people see reason in what I'm saying. Some will never understand it until it happens to them. That is life for you. You see this thing I'm saying? Some people will never understand until it cross their way before they will know that, now really true. Why, my dear people, I beg. Ebony, no problem. She can apologize if she want to. She can apologize to the elder. Not be say she dey apologize to all those 3 people where I be 4 people where come abuse her. That is not how you correct people. You do not correct people by embarrassing them. You do not correct people by disgracing them. You do not correct people by saying what they do in private. That is not how to correct somebody. You coming out to say that everybody they sleep with this, everybody they sleep with that one, which those ones in no conservative day for grant. You guys just want to condemn her. If you have come out to say, Ebony, this thing that you said now is not right. You don't say that it's only 2 people that is a good singer in Benin. Everybody will see reason with you. And I myself will see reason. But when you come out to say that, now so you do this one, now so you sleep with that one, now so now still they sleep with married man too. That is not how to come. That is not how to correct somebody. Linda, your time is up. I know if you chat. I know you have to follow you chat. I beg, go away from here. Please go. That is not how to correct people. That is not how to correct people. That is not how to correct people. You cannot correct me by disgracing me. I will not listen to you. You don't get anybody with big past advice for this life. You get some people, when they do wrong, you call them. You do a mature video. Talk to this person. Say, my dear, this thing that you are doing is not right. Oh. This thing you are doing is not correct. Oh. Not talking like this. Not talking like this. You understand? That person will understand you perfectly. Please, if you don't understand what I'm saying, it's either you relax or you can go. There is an exit in every live video that we are doing. This is it. There is an exit. Judge people how you want them to judge you. Judge people how you want them to judge you, my human being. Oh. Judge people how you want them to judge you. Do not judge out of hatred. Everybody has never killed nobody in this life. Everybody know they owe any of our money. Judge people and you want them to judge you. Just like the way the Bible says, do to others as you want them to do unto you. This is what I believe. And this is what I understand. When everybody they use sickness, they laugh easy, as you said. Did Easy ever tell everybody say she get kidney problem? Ask yourself that question first. Ask yourself that question first. But that is not even the problem on the ground now. Before somebody will use problem to laugh at you, there must be something. Before somebody will use problem to laugh at you, there must be something. Even you that type this thing, so if your friend offend you, if your own friend offend you, a type and so if your own friend offend you, you go laugh at. We are human beings. Maybe we tell ourselves the truth. If your friend offends you, now we can go talk and say how many times to forgive. He say, forgive. Because God knows we are human beings. We can do anything. God knows that we can do anything. You will write this thing so. He get what your friend go do you. Everybody know easy and be envious or easy just get natural hatred for Ebony right from the one. Natural hatred of Wamo and Ebony. I don't know what Ebony do to her. But that why not go let us talk now because now they are two nowhere they for meet each other. But that is not the case, my people. Easy use this. Why is he not come as is there? Why he can't come and they can't hide? He come back. Okay, Ebony use a sickness, they laugh easy, Abi, like you write. Easy not come as is there. Say, my people, when I see what Ebony do me, he can't hide. Can't carry people, follow body, use until they fight innocent person. My people, more they use on head now. Not be say person get viewer or person did this. Not be see more they use on head, my people. Me una they use on head now. Come on, man. This is hatred now. This one are pure hatred. This is hate on that innocent girl. I beg when I use love and light, they finish best way they put red dead for me. I beg, please. This is pure hatred now. Since when I get just the ball out for Nigeria, since when the ball out, hatred you're full everywhere. Come on, man, don't do that. Overtaking is allowed. Overtaking is allowed. If God won't bless you, forget her. You know the new people around you. All of them are just they pull her together because she's the biggest. There is nothing you guys can do about it. This is the fact. I love Ebony. I love some other actresses. I don't want to put their name on this video because this video not concerned them. I love Ebony. I love some other actress. But you know, Ebony is one of the biggest also. Those actresses too, they're still big too. But she's one of the biggest as well. You know, give me you go measure Ebony name when people not go know and they not go recognize her. Even the social media when me and you, they some presenters don't they show their self. Una still they cover up for them because of the love. Why Ebony is different? You understand? Even this live video where we did some presenters they misbehave more than Ebony. You guys still take sides. Why Ebony is different? Epa wala wo wame ni wa wala wo. Mona look at all this matter where. Why you say owo ma mo wa ya boezona awawa? Manivie live video presenter may accept it. If you like me 1,000 people is against Ebony. Mama, no, my sister not talk like that. No, they talk say she too talk. God give person math, make person take talk for this life. If person not talk, na problem. Oh, mama na go why we slow press. Oh, mama go why we go agbe. Oh, salo bo no you know no ya agun my sister. Oh, salo bo you know na no God give us mouth to talk. If you can show off, show off. If you cannot show off, forget about it. My sister, that is the life where we they live. Some people they don't like show off, they like a simple life. Okay, this is just you. Live your life like that. Some people they like to show off. Okay, she show off, she not borrow more to take show off. She show off, she not go tell us say what she get today, she not get her tomorrow. She show off, she not borrow anybody money. She show off, she not show us ass will not be her own like the way many people they do for this media. She show off with her own property. She show off with things that belongs to her. I do not call that show off. I call that living your life the way you want it. All of us, both us where they judge Ebony, both people where they write 1 or 2, everybody get their own for body. Please share this video. I say share this video. If you still want me to keep talking, share the live broadcast. Everybody gets your for body. You understand? He get anybody not they talk. And anytime when they act English movie, she not the voice. He get anytime when Destiny not the show up for Facebook. Destiny they show big ass. Destiny they show big cars. Okay, everybody wa me moto la jam in Destiny every year. Now be say that for don't kill her, man. Destiny they show many things for social media. Celebrity, if you are not updated on, let me educate some of you now. As an upcoming celebrity, we never really get money. Say you they try to build your career. If you are not giving updates on social media, your name is gone. Look at other people. Look at other people. Now we're saying all the two the updates for social media. How many of them know them? If they even post now, they put like for their picture. Ebony post. People they put like because they update on social media. If you are not update on social media, people don't know you. A lot of Benin celebrity will be say They don't even get 1,000 followers for their page, but they the art film. A lot of Benin celebrity, they don't get 1,000 followers for their page, but here at film because people don't know them, because they don't update for social media. Even social media presenters, even get followers past them. You get my point? So please, nobody's asking Ebony not to apologize. Ebony, my dear sister, apologize if it comes from your mind, but don't be pushed or forced by anyone, because you did nobody wrong. You did nobody wrong. So long that I'm concerned, Ebony did not mention nobody's name on that video one. Ebony was joking. Rita Elsas Ogwogboa Biba Bolawegbe Iva Bolawegboa Ugbeo. Ugbeo. Iva Bolawegbe anuna we ume respect ni eda. You see we are Ebony for insult any eda. Ogwogboa idiot like you. Oh, where you not get respect for. You get respect for eda. Wa zaga bagbon. You understand? So this is it. My dear people, you get my point. Ebony owe nobody apology, but she can. She can apologize if she wish. That one, I can never stop Ebony not to apologize to anybody. Please share this live broadcast. Please share. Ebony can apologize if she want to, no problem. But Ebony, my dear sister, do not be pushed by anyone. You are a celebrity. You deserve your honor. You deserve your respect as well. And they must learn to respect you. They cannot come and give you a public disgrace and also demand for apology. Excuse me. You can't give somebody a public disgrace and also demand for apology. You cannot come to Facebook and disgrace somebody, tell us say they do vaga or me, and you still demand an apology from same person. Oh, anything you know you will not accept for this matter. Anybody will not say this matter. If this thing when they do Ebony, say if they do you not go accept her. If at all say you do wrong, they should tell you you're wrong, but not to disgrace you. And you forced Ebony. And you are blaming on Ebony. And you know very well that you will not accept it. Oh, let God be the judge. I said, let God be the judge. Oh, I feel like crying for that girl. But I'm not going to cry because now that one way, now enemy they fight. Oh, I feel like crying for that girl. Because you guys feel that you brought her up does not mean you own her life. Now, wow. Uga will say, me where you are the owner of my life. Una will say me. Or mommy where you are the owner of my life. You do good for me, yes. You grow me up, yes. Now I've grown, I've paid my dues. And I decide to go anywhere I want to go. Because you grow me up does not mean you will cut my footstep. Because you grow me up does not mean you will choose my friends for me. Because you grow me up does not mean that you will tell me where to pass, where not to pass. It don't work like that. It do not work like that. No problem. I will go sleep now. My ass I did. Now you can watch me. I'm not gonna watch you. You understand? Because you grow me up does not mean that you calculate my step for me. As an elder, as people will be elder, there are ways to do it. Una go call all of them in order. And I get a me wo magele this magele need a disrespecting. Wo tunin wajeni wa tiya ya fe. Wa tiya we nei we gbe isunu. Emi gbe mi na ga sunu. This guy ti happen. What do? You report to the elder. You don't come on social media and talk about it. All these girls are wrong. Those girls, they wrong Ebony. Those girls, they wrong the member also. You will report to that place. They will call Ebony in order. You have no right to come on media and call disgrace your fellow woman. Call her shawo. Call her all kind of names. It do not work like that. That is not how it works. You cannot call your fellow woman a shawo, embarrass her, disgrace her, and still, this woman have not said anything. No. Still, shawo too, or my redo to shawo. Or my redo to shawo one day. My dear people, why me you? May una judge this matter very well. May una judge this matter very well. Make una judge this matter very well. May una not hate Ebony because una not like her, because she dey show off. No. There is not a crime. There is no crime showing off. There is no court of law you will drag somebody to now to go and judge and say that person is showing off. Except the only people I hate in my life are liars. People that lie and bring their fellow human being down, want to be on top, are the kind of people I don't like. But I don't see her for Ebony and Ebony never bring this way, not be you. Cause you or say get her. Now only himself now they show. And if you cannot be like her, why don't you block her so that you not be seeing her again? You just the hate on your fellow human being because you want to grow. You are hating on your fellow human being because that person want to grow. Una be wish. Una be enemy. Una wicked. You guys are bad. Most of you are mean to your fellow human being. Most of you are mean to your fellow human being. Is there any celebrity we know the show off? Is there any celebrity we know the show off? English celebrity. English celebrity. Is there any English celebrity? Because when I know the day Instagram, we can see our life, they grow there. Go to Instagram. Go and watch people. Now, they say this Facebook now, I take drag that girl leg. Come out. Why idiot? Go write for the girl war. Say, now so birthday now you they do. Wait, come make the girl talk. One of them won't kill her put so today. Say now so birthday now Ebony they do. Ebony know they invest. Imagine. Even the most richest man. God forbid me Dangote not die today. Is Dangote property going to go with him? Now this social media, now somebody go to Ebony say, Ebony, you know they invest. Why you know that? Do you know that birthday is worth celebrating every year? Do you know birthday to celebrate, for you to be alive celebrating your birthday, it worth past richness? Do you know for you to be alive celebrating your whole birthday, it be past money and house where you dey hustle for? Imagine you build house today, you know if you enter the house tomorrow, you die. Is that achievement? Is that what you call achievement? Is that what you call success? Black people, when you see people are happy, you people will be jealous. Now those ones where they show a fake life, now they like. Now those ones where they show a fake life, as you see me so, I prefer people where they very open than to people where they very slow. So people they know they update on social media. So people they know they talk, you say that they be the best. Now lie. They are underground killer. You see all those people who know they talk. You see all those people who they quiet. Who that they feel that they be the best people for this life. Now they be the real underground killer for this life. But you see that person who open my talk or where it don't finish for a mind. I love people like that. You go quickly know their wicked point. You go quickly know, say, this person, now say, this person not the egg to fear. But to my money there, guani. You see that one when they talk, eh? You see that one when not they talk. Oga sawe. Oga sawe. When we not sawe. My people, Muna not they use hatred to the judge again, oh. Ebony, apologize if you want to. Apologize if it comes from your mind. But do not be pushed by anyone. Your destiny do not lie in anybody's hand. Please share this live video, please. Please, I beg you. Your destiny does not lie in anybody's hand. Your destiny, only God will decide your destiny. No matter the people, as they grow you, now so you still make money for them. Because who want live video one day was so why make you go quiet bo. Make you go. They use you make name. They use you. You have paid your due. Ebony Obasuyi. You have paid your due. Time for you to enjoy now. Agbowi akwe oh you know. Who are me ya enjoy my dear sister? Because you know why? You deserve to be there, my dear. You deserve to take that glory, my dear. Facebook people not go drag your enemy down because your people will hate you for this Facebook too much. They feel that they are doing you well. The hate on this Facebook. The hate on this Facebook on you, Ebony. A lot of people, they do worse than what you they do. But people, the same people condemning Ebony. They're blind, they don't see her. Same people complaining of Ebony. They are lovers for this Facebook. They are Asian. They are seeing for this Facebook. They do more. But they have never complained for one day. Oh, Ebony, Ebony. Because here we Bonnie. Because here we say as Doni I need to speak that parable. I don't forget that parable. Because then I Ebony now they see now say Ebony they sleep with other people husband. They don't catch other people. Now they say they won't kill Ebony. Let me tell you, no man will not they flex. Majority of men they flex. If your husband not they flex, he never get opportunity to flex on you. He never get opportunity to cheat on you. May I tell you, if at all she's doing it, she's never going to. She's not the beginning. She will not be the end. Many of them they do one. That is the only way celebrity make money. Celebrity does not make money by the film they act because money not today. Celebrity does not make money by the picture they post on social media because there's not too much money. Forget the artificial fake life when they give una. They know how they make their money. Una not be JJC. Now you be big fool. I did not join Ebony. I mean, I'm speaking the truth, idiot. I am saying, if Ebony want to apologize, she can. But Ebony did not do anything. You are a bastard for coming to my platform and insult your mother. Motherfucker. You understand? How many people hate you does not matter. The most important thing is that you have achieved your goal. The most important, those people that is hating on you today are coming to celebrate with you tomorrow. They are coming to celebrate with you tomorrow. You know why? If an enemy cannot put you down, if an enemy cannot kill you, they will celebrate with you at the end. Ebony, my dear sister, if it comes from your mind to apologize, do that. I know nah. I know that will not be anything. I make a blog there. If it comes from your mind to apologize, my darling sister, please do it. Please use love and light to cover this hate. When this person they show your head, that red way they put. If it comes from your mind to apologize, my dear sister, do it. Don't do it because those witches ask you to do it. Don't do it because anybody is forcing you. Don't do it because people are hating on you. See, may I tell you, if your matter not the lad, people not go hate you. If your matter not the lad, Ebony, people not go see you. You see and everybody say Ebony, Ebony, Ebony. A lot of people did the way they ask me, they don't even know their name. If you mention their name, they'll go to find it. If they never go to that person, go check a picture. They not go know the person. If they never go that person, go check and they don't go know that person that they talk to. My dear sister Ebony, you are loved by the real people who know truth, by the real people who don't hate on anybody, by the real people who know say is totally wrong. When no matter what I am trying to say, no matter what, everybody deserves a second chance in this life. No matter what somebody will do in this life. If people can bring people down this social media, if people can disgrace people on social media, people still forgive them. Why Ebony? Because Ebony not cost anybody. Ebony just they show off. Ebony they talk too much. Ebony not kill anybody. Ebony not they own her money. Now I say I not hater. Not be people they disgrace people. Not be people go they bring people story they come out where they not send there. Not be people they say people they go they keep people. Not be people they talk people matter where they not send there. They are still forgived. Why can't you people just look Ebony or say, oh, I know what proud you are not get. What say I know je? Why like a show off? This is celebrating like that because many of Benin people they too local job for my liking. They are too local. This kind of thing where they do not make. I don't know how Benin go to reach English movie. I don't even know. I don't know how many years they'll reach. This the way they happen for English movie. You know, go see anybody come voice because you know why? There's a freedom of speech. Everybody you are entitled to your mouth. I can come out now, use my mouth to talk, so that's why I be, that's why I not be. Now my mouth. So long as I don't lie. It's normal. You are entitled to your mouth. You this idiot now wait right comment that am I beating you now? As if you not curse me, I know will curse you. If you like me, you not still support Ebony, say you talk against Ebony. So long that you are not insulting me, I'm not training no word to you. I will let you say your own mind. Because you know why? You must not accept what I said. You must not accept on what I said. You can also have your own mind. No. You understand? You can also have your own thinking, your own say, your own opinion for the matter is normal. But when you insult me, I give it back to you. I go forward now. I believe move you take go forward jealousy everywhere. It's okay. When you see now, my sister, more than see what they happen now. The same Benin people, they divide this JJ Barry with 24 bits. These people, whether they call them with the Iana no red Nigeriana. Iana no red Nigeriana. I mean, no one yatana. Iyamaste no kukugbe. We live video way. JJ Barry 24 bit Imunanu wau or so be ma waya we say we go want more na they do things together. More na they collaborate together. No. No mama no run ya dege. Vore issue na wa dege na. Enya gbonu wa treat wa ma treat do gwa wa ma respect ne eda. Vini eda manati bonye say. Even wa lajan wa do ta, no wa do appreciate. Now do so that this fight on social media. Do you know that is the people from 24 bit over there egui babage we gugwa even we support a line ni iya man we divided this problem na kaya we boni resa there Destiny Bag or resa there JJ Barry ni wa bi alele gbina no ba working na this divide we beneath your gate wetin happen this divide e no good muna come together to muna they do things together. English movie, we don't know how they take the entire Europe. We don't even know who they breed there. We don't know who they sponsor. We don't know. Been a picture on Instagram, everywhere, Facebook, now they say this one don't do Europe. Now from this thing, they say this one don't do Europe. Believe people, divide. There you go. You all know say that this person, you follow this one, come. This one go sell at this side, that day. The other sell at this side. They say una. They say una. JJ Barry when we are working here. JJ Barry my ladder Facebook we make here with anybody. 24 bit my ladder we make here with anybody. This useless, frustrated, abandoned. I don't know how to call them for this Europe. They don't divide that for Facebook. This is the fight now. I'm telling you. Ebony did nothing. Nebony why you all siesta. Nebony why you listen there. We are here. A Destiny Bag. Let me tell you. Oh, when we are OVJ, here we VJ for Ariagmo that day yaze. I know they do enemy for anybody. And if I say this road when I won't pass, will go favor me, I go benefit that we achieve. I will follow that road. I not go because say you get 8 or you get anything there. Say me cannot follow her. You guys need to wise up. Why like come and temata? If I not go, man like him and temata. No, my don't be that one with the talkie. Don't be that one with the talk. You understand? While I come and temata, my dear people, I know they see the hate on social media. Okay, I make a long list, no even know why. Una know they see the hate people they divide them. Not be they tell you if now use the join live video, now use the jump. That is what I've been saying. I said 24 bits never come and say he get enemy with anybody. JJ Barry has never come out that he gets enemy with. Even Destiny Bag no come and say he gets enemy with anybody. But this divide of these two people is started from this social media. Why? Why? These the same people now when they talk about this Ebony matter when nothing day here, when I don't see anything, can't they also come out to appreciate these two people? Say, I beg go, these are our two brothers, so they do things together, oh, Mona not divide them, oh, they will never akugbe baro. Yeah, akugbe ti, akugbe, then akugbe wo, then igbovunare ya. Share this live broadcast, my people. Some people need to hear what I'm saying. Nena kugbevo, many governare ya. Nena kugbevo amasoma. The same thing. Neither for this live video where we did so. If you don't do saga, you don't make it on live video. Some of them even they buy view just to make sure say they intimidate other people. Just to make sure they intimidate. Go ni run me aya dey there. What you are supposed to they make money for? I can't they spend money on top of I don't feel crazy before. Because I don't, if I get 1,000 or 10,000, what do I have to offer you people? Meaning what we Tyson and I Tyson. Anybody know what we get is okay. Why? Now this social media, now you see that they divide them. You go there, yeah. Do you know what I go say? Oh no, nah. You know the side of yeah. Now this social media, they divide these two people. These are two great Benin men. Keke with Destiny. 3 great Edo sons. When you supposed to collaborate together. If English people carry people call Europe, we know they know. A 24 bit I want Fiora wa be Fiona o e je de bare me squad or girl no. Now lie. They know these people don't get it on each other. Now they divide them. That is why you see problem will not finish. You people should let our celebrity have some peace. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. It's really, really sad. No, don't use fuck you. Don't worry. Leave her, my dear. Don't use fuck you on the video, I beg. Don't use it. No, don't worry. Leave them. Because if you use that, Facebook will block you for not commenting. Not because of anger. Because they write what you're not supposed to write. All those things when they write, some of all those things where they very harsh. There is that they block people for not commenting. Be careful of your comments. What is this? If you are going waron, if you do ayon, if you are going waron, why la do ayon, eh? If you are going waron, only that station go wa. Come on, with children they play for social media. Ordinary small talk we person you talk for social media. But one more go. When I me work bomawa. Who can know with everybody unana. Iya me matter. Everybody to the pride. Everybody to the talk. Everybody to the fee. Ija. For only one life when I come. When I don't know when I they go ask. Now I can't live my life to please one human being. No. I will not live my life to please anybody. I do what is okay for me. If you like me, I use my pants. Enter social media na my nyash there way. Or I disgrace me, I disgrace me. It's not your disgrace. Leave it for me like that. If you cannot see me, block me. This is it. That is why there is a block. If you don't want to hear it, block me. Block me. How you want somebody to please you guys? It's not possible. She's a woman of her own. She cannot be under anybody. Yes, she go beg if she want to, but she will not beg because people are telling her to beg, my dear sister. My dear sister, maybe to be maybe on work akabo, we all when I push. If somebody like you, when me know where we can say me everybody go beg, my dear sister, you know it that you are a strong woman that nobody can push you. You know what I'm saying. Especially when you don't offend anybody, you know. It's very hard to beg when you know very well that you know. And you know, funny enough, people when they even direct the message for no even answer. Oh, man, no man say they can. What have you no one like that? I don't know a musician way. They trade. All those guys will cause this problem. Who be musician for inside now? Who be musician? All this give no my people ya we gbega ya boye nedo. Wa boye na kwe. Oga sunu da wa. Oga si wa jere me ya boye gbe boni. Then okole boni amonu no prad no gwa egbo ogwa. As a even say mona see live video presenter na. The live video presenter will not they make trouble, will not they probably not they fear yagbe. Then they meet up. No. Can I yeje? Why they will live video presenter no eti talon no eti fear yagbe meet up? Why they? Abi wa madego ni wa kweni la wa boni wa eti kula wa sovieri aye. Abi live video presenter no we eri yeki. Where me live video presenter no temata no me 1,000 viewer. A live video presenter no temata I me 1,000 view tamuwa. Omana yo robe. Also ni na like otemo ba me media. Owo me so aro wuri magi bae. Because somebody magi yo weri eri. Also no na magi ya woge. O ta owa o mata le. Dagbona on that time. Then why are you guys disturbing on Ebony? When me live video presenter. When me live video presenter, Neri Magiyo. A live video presenter. A live video presenter no temata. Although I mean 1,000 view. Or logo. Newe saga. Imago ya no we ya temata o. Ni buwo temata. Ore ne mata. Ni buwo temata. But many of them too for year. If you not do saga, do some kind of certain ways, they strong. You not go get view. You not go get view. You not go get view. 2 years me ye be midiana. Mi agawe saga be ne gbe ya bali mi do bali be midia be oni. Imana me say 1,000, I me say 500, 600. The time when I knew come at that time, when I dey do saga, when I go saga Monica, saga Lolo, saga Enokpa. Wama me view me no ga abunwe. Ima me 1,000 me 900. Wama me view me no ga abunwe. But near total the harvest like me what I give I they continue to do this kind of thing. Iya area. Iya we kigbe. Iya kwela wa. E kigbe ne. Iya kwela wa. No. Omar yuji yegbe before other person can respect you. If you want to get a 1,000 viewer, you will be ready for them to drag your children to the media. You will be ready for them to drag your family to the media. You will be ready for them to drag your father. Because to get 1,000 views, no be man. You need tangible something to talk for people to come and watch you together. And when you are saying it, there will be lie and there will be truth. Only truth cannot get you to that point. Give me like and love, please. Give me like and love. I beg. I don't want to talk for ordinary ground. If you don't still comment, give me like and love. Share this live video. You understand? Only truth cannot get you to 1,000 is the fact. We know it on this media. Before you can get to 1,000 views, you need to paint her, you need to rub her, you need to balance her, you need to do this one. Ieti balama. Ime family nidie. Iro word ime kenyana ya omo dobakwe. Ime detika motie do yaga ne media. Ime detika moviera ne do yaga be media. Iseti. Omo no wa like travel making. Ige kiri oweji. Bet mame ya vegbe. Mi ati ya le lo ma gbe bet igwa lo. Ive ya ruo because a problem e no ma you nutie. Trouble no ti be wetin person dey use math dey call is the fact, and I don't like it as well. Before you can get to that point, you need to lie. You need to do some kind of certain. That is why you see trouble cannot finish. It's not easy. Look at our sister where they get 1,000 views. The day they not go do saga, check out their view. So please, it dey everybody body. Now wait, I want me everybody know be that one. If you want to beat somebody that person is doing wrong, even our children, let your child throw oil on the ground, beat her with that anger. You go see the kind of mark, injury when you give that pikin. But when you calm down, beat that pikin go enter that pikin head, say this thing way do so not good. You cannot even beat a child. You cannot use anger to beat a child for that child to learn. The pikin go to look like, what are you doing? The only way to teach a child is when you put yourself together. I'm sorry you cannot come to media to embarrass me, disgrace me, call me all kind of names, and at the same time you still demand an apology when I did not mention anybody's name. They are supposed to be apologizing. I expected this elder to say, "Hey, Bonnie, oya, Imima, one of them will Bonnie and media to disgrace because you guys went too far." No matter where Bonnie Bonnie okpa women no. Oh, where is that togetherness? Where is that love? Where is that unity? Wagokpa waki, mabe waga okpa be miti. This is not how you beat meeting member. Yes, waga sunu. Meeting na evane na tie. Anoga iladia oene. Ni ya mweladia ye without no informing the president. All here yo. Na wena. Oh, bono panoro my la jam na rovies and I even suspect there. And I even tell when even if there is something else, not like this, they will take all action. After all, not be that something else, the dog place is there. Let me tell you, if you have problem with some people, they will go talk one thing tangible to weigh the thing where they do. You may for to say, oh, man, I'm done. Oh, like when they were way, you sickness still laughing. What do you expect? Easy the enemy to Ebony. You know, like Ebony. Easy must find one thing. If Easy with the gang can come out to say Ebony na Ashawo, Ebony na this, tell me why they don't feel come and come tell when I say he mocked the girl, say as the girl is sick. All you need balance say because why? They don't already know say our people don't want using ye that kind of thing. Our people don't want using ye say you mock people with sickness. You cannot fool me. You can fool people that have the same brain like you. So long that I don't hate you Easy, I don't hate Ebony. Neither do I hate even the classic Gloria. If you don't say no classic Gloria na sonome, you may trade the that lady ni, you get more. If you don't say no na sonome, they know why. Because making here we know why we a misty or many ways of people go they do as an adult. You will say no. I know say Ebony don't do this thing where bet eri ayagbe umatave una be lilia. Una lilia. Wo ikeve gwan seve derio. We no we and with the same when I meta we Ebony my offend we one day. Wo we gwan seve wa go we me. Wo ikeve gwan se. Ovije. My dear people. Erio. Uga yeve de gbe ya tolo we ya tolo bolo. If you scratch your body the way your body scratch, you will peel. We are all human. Blood, they work for our body. Imagine you want now celebrity to celebrity get problem. Una of course say, okay, now I'm gonna make those people they happy now say they don't succeed. Erio na. Join the one way they don't do. Everybody must not be friends. If at all say una say Ebony get problem with this, how many live video presenter never use matter chop themselves for this live video presenter? How many this small community of Facebook where we do so? Please, my people, how many live video presenter never follow themselves quarry? Not be set to the concert to have the last. Make some of them. How many live video presenter never bring themselves down for this social media where we do so? Make a cat name. Make a cat name for una. Make a cat name of people who don't follow themselves, don't saga themselves. Cause some of the costs come around again. Cost settle. You know why? In anything industry, when you have a live video presenter and industry, you know, anything we don't get to do with anything we be say, this one won't better pass this one, I saw enemy the day. You do not expect them to be friends. In short, you don't pretty no, nobody's putting fire one. Let me correct it. Nobody is asking Ebony not to apologize if she wish. Okay? But you guys should calm down with the pressure. Because if it's you, pretty, that write this comment, you cannot apologize if you don't offend somebody. You cannot apologize when they are pushing you, say, do it by force. You will not do it. I know. We are all human. You will not do it. So calm down, my people. She will do it if she want to. This is how I see it. How many of them? A live video presenter now. A resident yaron. This one want to better pass. Hey, this one don't get better viewer. Hey, this one don't get. Hey, this one don't monetize. If you mention anybody name, you go say you want use that term monetize. If you want to do this, I go say that monetization. If you do that, walking via me. Iniwe Facebook ya sa na ya kogbelegbe. Iniga mi nene film na wa be suspend o ma. Iniga mi nene film na. Walking. Una dey say no Ebony no dey greet this one. This live video here they insult their senior here where. Una no dey see am. No be the same una dey clap and follow. All of they do enemy. They go carry children, issue that children come out. They go carry issue that mother come out. They go carry father come out. Why they here? Why they here? If you do what matter. Veni meje. Meru that way o woma moma ni ya bonye gboma. O kwenu ga se me ma be wegi ku. Ekenu na mai wa be ta. Ekenu na be ma. Or I will lock up because my given and my me way will be enemy forever. We feel quarter today, settle tomorrow. That's beneath there. If you they follow this one, they play. That I can't go to follow your enemy, they play. Now problem oh. Because say Ebony not a friend, not to Destiny Bagua. If you not see her, before Ebony was never friend with Destiny and this thing Our enemy never Irish like this. Our hater never Irish like this. Since when Ebony become friends with Destiny? Since when Ebony come to UK? Iyana wakbo. Iyana wakbo. Iyana wakbo. Na Ebony akwe dia ogwe. Today na Ebony come Europe. Today Ebony come Europe. Tomorrow fit be your own. Easy egbe. On agbona. Facebook people. I tell them I'm gonna share this live broadcast. You know why? You know why I tell them I'm gonna share her? Not be say una won't give me one money. I know they 5 view again. People don't know me. If only I don't walk up past people, they say, Mommy Jane, you be this, Mommy Jane, you be this. I'm already know, even if I don't get 1,000 view. I just wanted you people to share this live broadcast because some people need to hear the truth about life. Where I even you understand? I just want people to know, say, in this life, I have the right to live my life the way I want. So do you when they watch me. So use Ebony, you they learn. Ebony is not me. I cannot be like Ebony. Ebony is a proud person. I feel be a reserved person. Me being a reserved person does not mean I'm better than Ebony. Some people are very reserved when it comes to public, but they are underground killer. You they feel me? Some people, they are very, very reserved when it comes to... Some people are very reserved. I noticed water they throw away. I don't know if I not close this water. I noticed the water they throw away. Some people are very reserved, but they are underground killer. Underground killer yake. They are very reserved. You understand? So because Ebony is pompous and proud does not mean she's a bad person. Have you guys also noticed that this Ebony that they say that is this? They say she has a very good heart. Have you heard that Ebony, they put people for her house. She accommodates people. Have you asked story about Ebony? Have you taken your time to know that this girl, she did free with people where or so yeah, you know? Not be the kind of person where you deal with your board. Have you noticed that she did also the help those some little ways she can? Why goni bewa. Oma wuna mufioto. Oma wuna CI. Oma wuna CI. Na open spirit na Jack. Jackie na open spirit na she be. Open spirit person na she be. How we do? Ojao. Let she just be. She don't be that kind of person where be say she gets strong mind. She don't be person where gets see. She just be person now mad she take talk. If you like Una get quarrel today, there's no business forever. Una go still settle 1 or 2 quarrel. Una will still settle her. But the justice for Ebony, my people, you see this judgment when they pass today is unacceptable by some of us. It's unacceptable by some of us. Me personally, I don't accept her. I don't accept her because they could have at least. Ebony just landed in Nigeria. I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. At least we not here in Nigeria. No make 2 days in the ITN all day. No day. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, Ebony landed Nigeria. She never even rest. She never rest. Oh, my people, please drop your comments. Egbe women me yet it allo. Egbe women. Egbe women. If do. Wagia kugbe aro. They never even give her time. They never even give her time. May the girl drink water, may rest. Yeah, where she's suspended. Come on, man. Who does that? Who does that now? Because of people who hate Bonnie. Una don't see people who talk come on. Now people where Bonnie get problem, we must I be friend with you. Okay, when the social media you watch now, yeah, I'll be friend. Even when I say maybe social media now, few people even like genuinely reacting. I say, I love them genuinely from my heart, and I call sometimes once in a very blue moon when it's important for me to genuinely. But that does not mean I will be your friend that way. How do I come make a friend in it? I don't do that with anybody. Because you know why? A friend today can be an enemy tomorrow. You must know this. Now, this social media, like me and you, it go a very only banner. Have a way, you know, everybody they follow this person, they quarrel. Now, this social media, now we then I want person where follow everybody, do friend. Come and say, everybody not tell her, say she they go abroad. She cry, come and say, everybody not tell her. Say with everybody, they were friends, they were talking even before everybody come out. They were still talking. Everybody, have a time make be wagari we boy. Me maybe the vice so ya tell mama dasha. He can follow everybody quarrel. I don't know that I remember oh. Yeah, because of that today with everybody know they play again. Oh, she come to social media for her Facebook. Say everybody not tell me say they go abroad. Eh, wa mi o rewebo or say yo. Eh, mana. Ah, why no one marry here UK? No, ya marry your man across the line UK. But on a little yo eh. Na me we visa me. None of you are there for visit. My people wa we get wara oh. Everybody tell me all say me. But really agbe. Why ya wa calculate we boni lilo na gwe. Me so wa no wa eto na boni for no reason. E wana di gen na ladia. O we boni maka mi ege aveta megbe. Even we geni ma ya na pare webo. Don't want ni matama we marry webo. Ero. E me na we because why? O se won ku lele me ge ma gba ko we. O ma me gba wo mi. Aveta megbe a. Ona na she come and say Ebony not tell her say they go abroad oh. Ebony not tell her because of that thing. I see that girl today. Me see I see some people now the grand killer. I saw that girl today was sharing the video when they do about Ebony this evening. She shared it on her wall. I saw her. People like that, they know they talk oh, but she shared the video. Now those are the enemy that Ebony has, and she done nothing to them. Only because Ebony did not tell you. Say she they go UK. And you married to a UK base for over 2 or 3 years now. The man never remove you from Nigeria, come UK. That man not be juju. My people. Eh, why my comment? Muna comment na man that they see na comment. Muna comment na they see na comment. No, this one now me tell una now. This one me tell una now. What do you think about it? Because a friend is going to Europe. She did not tell you she's going to Europe. You come out to talk on social media. Say your friend, una be friend, at least she for still tell you, you for put your name, you for put your money, you for do visa. Any hearing never yet your mama da when they know. So are you trying to tell me that your husband that you married for how long in abroad cannot do visa for you to come to UK since then? May you put your money before as you won't be take put her. If you don't get money, you for go borrow. Yeah. Nitamuwa. Good people are always labeled bad. It's normal. Me, I've seen people like that. When you are good, you are always, you know why? When people cannot do what you are doing, they hate you. When people cannot be you, they hate you. When people try to be you, instead of them to learn from you, they hate you. Imagine my own friend go tell me now, say I not tell her say they go abroad. Then after that abroad when I go come, he marry oh, he husband there for that they say UK oh. He husband there for that they say UK oh. Your husband not do visa for you as soon as marry, or your husband not submit to a marriage certificate to bring you come Europe, come stay. But you can't bully, you can't bully your friend for media, you can't talk. While making an attempt already done, warrior gabi bani. And all when we marry my team, we are the UK. No way ya borrow any new go we ya de. Yea, ima only way saga. Why do I saga with 2 wa? Ima ona do no way, womana way because when we saw ya wa working a what see bona be nonsense in wado. A rubbish no wawado wa keke na tebona. Una reach to insult. Una reach to insult big time. For the kind of thing una they do. You follow me quarter they you they beef me because I didn't tell you I'm coming to Europe. Till today you are beefing me because of that issue. But you have been married to a man living in that the same UK. Me no get boyfriend there. Me no married there. I feel rich there. You where your husband there for UK, no fit carry you go. Yeah. Wa boyen say. Wa boyen say. I support my dad, the social media president. He was so supported. Egbe ya supported. Because in a way, emi ya ibugbe. Wa fige boni na emo man do gwan fine. Wa ti gbe career re bet o wa e osalobare. Wa grow yes, no problem. I agree with that one saying na grow. Are you shine no why? But no one no my legbe. Are you shine? Immediately wa ma na immediately way. O wana ga no why? Mwana yo negbo. O wan yeti music. Eru wa ka be social media now. And we have accepted it. Bini o no con dey different. Bini movie no fit your past English movie now. Okay? Bini movie now because they are now we they make the movie they go because now we they watch you now. He just be like a market woman now can't tell a buyer now say no passer. Impossible. Mona thinker. Market woman now. Okay, if una say our matter now say our voice no loud. Now be so na they find our trouble. Now be say some of una where they bull in if I see una movie I'll pass her. Who will reduce the view have your name. So you better don't even look as a superstar, as an actress that you are. Stay on your leg. You don't need it. You do not need it. Let everybody live your life. Una just defend that girl trouble. On a lot of weapon in my way, you up my hair. No, but no, damn you. I'll tell you no get on my back, mom, and daddy on our video, not tinya. Una no listen to their video. Una no hear what these guys they talk. Una guy go away. Normally show ebony mama me no we ebony mama me no we no by we ladder ebony mama me no we wo wagi wo ke bana go wa you no egbon no keka ebony mama me na ga mu ja we egbon pa ta we ebony me odo egbon pa ta we ebony me boyfriend egbon pa ta we ebony ogbi bijin a o egbe one person go come talk. Maybe one person go come I be my dear. I thought they say maybe one person go come to say see what Ebony really do we go really make me join these people. Now they pursue Ebony. Did you know what I hear from these people? Ebony don't do me anything. Oh, but what is she talk not good? Ebony don't do me just that the way some comments they flow say she talk too much. She's too proud. You when they say Ebony they proud, you hold your body. You too you are proud. You will say Ebony they proud. I never use I see your shit. You will say Ebony they proud. We all have our own different way of living our life. Come on, me, our people are beg. Wala, I beg. This 2022. Wala wo. Wangamu mona in a good way. Not be hatred. They try to do that beneath. Wagia moto. Wagima grow. Wagima grow, bo. Also, they way social media now they don't divide that. If you not be Monica fan, if you Monica fan, they lot of fan day. Ritoto fan day, mommy love fan day, no gay fan day, social media president, you know what, divide day, you can all of us we are entertainer. We are it does not mean that you should love us the same way, but you should not take our matter too personal because we are just an entertainer. We do our own thing. You watch me today. If you don't like what I talk, maybe tomorrow I'll talk what you go like. If you don't like what I talk, you will exit. But all why una divide everybody. Na so still be for movie industry. If I know they follow you, they play. Ijavo even soon una have a comment section. We soon una only say why got going na purity. Pretty. I be purity. Pretty is okay na. I beg stop na pretty. I know they like this kind of thing. I beg. You understand? Thank you very much. They share everybody for this media. Now, so you're still being for entertainment. My dear, win. Listen, I'm not saying she should not apologize. She will apologize if she wish. It's just like if I offend anybody, you will not push me to apologize if I don't want to do it. I will, if everybody now come and say that from my heart, I won't apologize. I swear, I will support her. I will still use this my live video to say, "Walao, wa mi eme na nota wo bo." Everybody when wa gbe o walao wo ni wa walao wa mi eme bo wa garo video ni wa ya domo. But when Ebony says she will not, let nobody push her. You know why? You know why? It's okay. It's okay. Now nobody should insult her, please. It's okay. You know why I cannot force her? Because her live video was joke. Her live video was joke. She did not mean it. Her live video was a joke. She did not mean it. The fact that she's not assuming that Ebony sing that music, I forget problem with Ebony say you cannot be a musical and bring other music and that. She not be she even singer. And the funny enough again when I get problem, people will come and come bully Ebony, they not be musician. Another problem when I get again, people will come bully Ebony and there people where they follow Ebony, they quarrel. Oh God of Israel. This allo boame. On a ori gwon. On a wa ori gwon. Eh? Ma viti na jena? Eh? I stand with Ebony. She's loud and proud for herself. So what? She's loud and proud for herself. The proudness never they disturb me. Say no, they disturb anybody. Don't you come with that hole? If she not loud and proud, me and you not go know Ebony. We don't know. We don't know how many musicians, how many actresses we know even they talk. We don't know there. If Ebony not loud and proud, we not go know her. Ebony Obasoyi, Ebony 1 million, Ebony 1 billion. Now those things, all those kind of things. Okay, but I see my people. This mommy Gio, where they rain now for media, now for everybody now. If that woman is not loud, who go notice her? Now is she not a new pastor? Now she be the only pastor in Nigeria because she's loud. You know they say the kind of thing? Which actress or musical where that woman never caused trauma and gives it that they go fire? Yeah. That bunny what time woman fire may do a problem in marry. Which body that woman never thought so that they go fire? Is that the why blogger can begin a blogger? They can be nah, that woman is no. That woman is known now by the world. Everybody don't know the woman. Because you need some stupid things to talk from your mouth for people to know you. If you are just like people like me, that way, no, they find trouble, no, they talk now. Oh, logo. The only thing, you know, they do saga now. It go up for people. But the person they do saga now, hey, people go know you. If you best way they like people, that is the only way people can know you. If not be say everybody they lad and social. Egbe UK don't very they don't know what to film here. Is it not because of the pride and the lad where she lad people? They believe say people get people will love her. They believe say people they will love her. And make her they bring her come. That is the reason. When Ebony come to UK for the first time, did she come to art film? Good night, pretty. Did she come to art film? No. It's because she was loved by the people. Because she have captured people's attention on social media. That is why. My people, you guys should calm down. Relax. Take a chill pill for this matter. Take a chill pill for this matter. Don't judge people too quick like that. Everybody Aklish is not a liar. Aklish is not a liar. Okay, but we'll still talk about the Maris. Maris never call UK. We don't hear say Maris na bloody liar. Immediately Maris come to UK. Now they carry Maris. Oh, Emanagbo. Waze waki. Maris marry UK. Ma we Maris get bloody liar no. Maris one like UK. We might make UK so wa. And now we Maris get your bill wa. And now we Maris get your my boyfriend in Ozigone. And now we Maris get bloody liar no. Uvo managbo na. Ah. I care ma una mason wa. I mean, wanna give me love and like now. Give me love and like. Give me love and like. Come on. I need it. I deserve it. Give me love and like. Give me love and like. Give me love and like. Give me a kiss. Give me love and like. UK. This one I did call UK Saga. On my next video, this matter, now UK Saga, I go use and take title. This is called UK Saga. UK Saga. Thank you very much, my darling. This is called UK Saga. Again, the marry way bush. You know, at least when I was still happy, see people don't date when they promote and they come, they bring on one by one. Oh, no matter so egbe, also egbe. No matter so egbe, the way we bona. Or so egbe. This is called. I just tired when I say they don't still have marriage. I say, yeah. Hey, marriage not this. See, let me tell you. This is why you see I'm very careful. That marriage audio, when they use the talk, say marriage audio, I was thinking it's one big audio like that. I don't know so that audio you're rich. Only one small audio when somebody who never gossip for this life before. Or raw. Oh, why is it when I'm where I dear when I'm where social media? On that is small. So that is for that breed that will come out now, you can cause corner between Ebony with Maris. They don't come be friend again. They'll come separate because they gossip at it. God. Anybody will go play the record of my own friend for me just to separate the two of us. See, now that time the friendship go tight. Pass, you know why? You know why the friendship will tight? Because in this life, when people don't gossip you are nobody. In this life, when people don't talk about you, you are dead. It's only the dead that people forget. They don't forget the living. So when you are doing where people will gossip you, if my friend don't see something gossip me, that means I never better for life. If my friend don't see something talk about me, where I get now, say yo, I'm segbe. You know what see me before? See, may I tell you, you say Ebony as you say so, na star. I won't tell you one thing about when men they follow women, when men they toast women. Not be because a woman final. Now start. So women they, So women they. Not be say they be flat. But they you get that star say before the wakama don't toast her. Before the wakama don't toast her. And when those ones when they see toaster, they see her. Bovo. Hey! Bovo, they go jealous you die. So women. And some of our women, they don't say no be because no be our fault that they were our mad day. You used to tell your friend, oh, this one they talk to me, oh, hey, I don't even know. This one they talk, oh, I shall, because you know why? She know that she want to belong to that shoe, but she don't fit. Just look at all those people who can't gossip Ebony. Just look at her. Apart from that baby girl, Sharon, where they put, Sharon self. Yeah, was so they kill me no, but yeah, I just believe that they drag her somehow, but I don't know because I don't want to. Just look at them. If they cannot be you, they will gang up against you. If a woman fight, now flatter. If a woman don't fight, now wish. Oviere no mai mari, eri oga we lema, eri ole lonona, eri where ga. Yes, so what waro. No wa you we no go look no with ati ma sha won no di me say. I can get we also cause they call that woman get ashawo. That one no balance na, mo na tinker. Get away also not supposed to care if follow woman shower because she goes street. She know her life be for street. She know that everybody there for us grad. They are trying to make it in life. Get away do also. You not supposed to care another fellow woman shower or magba. That one for me is a no. Get away also. We also not supposed to call another woman shower. Wow, imagine get away don't feel also before go they say again I'll flex body yagbe. Ever time. Oh, sister, we are kagbele yue. Aba. Wakagbele yue. Kia. we kia. We no be also ne. We be akama wa ma sha wo ma niki. Kia we ka gbele iwe. Kia we ka u. Udu ma u. Wala wo wa ge alu enwa magbona. Wa ge alu enwa. Obi akama wa go flat because some of them don't resume or what yes so yes so or when marry some of these people when why any girl wey get sense, any woman wey get sense wey fair also fellow woman re ashawo because understand we a husband grand no again me na wa bi aro be gani if you go me akun you know or wa be lock up very oni or wa be gi or wa be ewe. But mommy name one don't forget taking okay ba. Don't forget it that one la word on there because she don't marry. Now you have ma to call you. Ashawo, if they follow people husband. People husband can't carry una for road. People husband pay money can't carry una for road. 99% of women, especially for our part, no carry husband. Eh? I mean, I sleep with people husband. Either you sleep with people husband. Let's press. Oh, don't press this remote. I don't want it to be too. You know, either you sleep with people husband by free, or you sleep with people husband, or you sleep with people husband they pay for you. You understand? I'm a cake again. That's the yori. Also, not the work cake because. I'm like mommy. Yeah. You understand? He said that you sleep by people husband, but I said they pay you money, or you sleep by people husband, but I said they go do shopping for you. Hey, all this actress now motor and a backlot for them. Buy motor for them. Sorry guys. You know, some of you sleep with people husband. They sleep with people husband by paying the money. If bless una don't for okay, una think say na only single people can't carry una that time. Una dey for street life. I know beside they mock anybody. Oh, sorry, I'm using the word, but I'm just reminding some people because if bless they forget. They did hate on Ebony because say they did hate on Ebony because they yes say sleep with people husband. People husband don't sleep with una to pay una money come out. They are also doing the same job because they don't call Europe, call also. They say they sleep with people husband to get money. Good night, my darling sister. Okay, now no problem. Me too, I'll still wake up tomorrow, carry children, go school. Eh? You understand? Una go use the hate on one person. Hey, they sleep with people husband. If they follow people husband. If they do this one. Yes, of course. If people husband, now your money, they might collect and you come out. Very measure. No, they say una way they chat everybody they sleep with. Now they say una I accept one man way carry two women come out. Till today has become a this thing. Una say not me because yeah, I don't want to mention too much names. The same una accept whether woman with the original one cry. Una say your mama ta blah 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 no worry. But why are you guys killing? Why the 8? Ebony go your show yourself tomorrow. I go say Ebony. Ebony was past destiny. It was past destiny. Or that young celebrity way there for Nollywood there. English movie. It was past there. Is there Anita where they get AKA every day? Anita they get AKA. Anita they get AKA all the time. They get AKA. They get AKA. All the AKA where they this level. Anita don't collect and finish. And she was past those people. Why? I beg you, if you have wala wo wage mi ya say. Anyways, please say good night to me. Good night, everyone. I just hope this message will get to some people and it will make them to change their mindset about Ebony. She's not the worst person in this life. She's not the worst. If I thought Ebony is doing something that some of you don't like, don't hate on her. Ebony will not continue to be like this. Once Ebony don't see us, I don't marry us now. See her. Maybe those proudness when I feel Ebony they proud, she will change a little bit about it. But somehow, when you are single, you are living a life of single. It make you to do some crazy things that people will not understand. Imagine people wait there for us, my ass, go they put out for single girl outside. That means oh you can't wear. Because they too you can't wear. It won't malele bagbona. Put out for your fellow married woman body. Leave single girl. How single girl take dress not concern you. If you not make put bread because you were once like that. You were once like that. Some of you, not all of you, because not everybody like to dress half naked or anything like that or sexy. Should I call it sexy? Some of you today, because I don't marry one man or now marry for us, I mean like the man marry una for us. If you still get dressed hot and sexy, girl will never marry you. Or to herself. What do you expect? Do you expect a girl who is not married to dress and cover all her body? Do you expect her to dress like you? No. It's a no-no. You are a married woman for crying out loud. If you want to dress decent, you have every right to dress decent as a married woman. This is you. But once a woman is not married, she wants to dress half naked. She has right to do that if she wants to. You shouldn't condemn anybody. Some of you are marriage, when they say that Dios must not take there. You Dios must you go there outside. Ask you go get a dress, go get a do wow. Because you can't be like her, you want to condemn her. Jeez. Somebody needs to hear this. Because you can be like her. You want to condemn her. You see her as flat. You call her ashawo. You call her all kind of name just because of her dressing. Because you are not like that. I want you to know this today. We all have different way of living our life. You don't expect people to be like you. Person like me, I cannot please you and displease myself. I do what is good for me. This is it. Because if I die, I might die. I die. Not die, you die. Last, everybody go one day. What you can't do this? Oh, you will come meet for this life. For this Western world where we day so. Some will go wear pants, they walk out for street. No discreet. Nobody they condemn. What did they do? Some or you go wear Finocchio by Nash go dey grand. Brace that for this thing. You go walk out, no go let black person try it because why? One person go take picture, the other one go talk, the other one go condemn her, the other one go say that one. And who are these people condemning? Those are most of the people who have stayed on the street before. Where they don't feel weird and use that to make money. Why here you go with that money use that to make? What is the difference? Do you think a young celebrity get the follow sugar daddy for free? Do you think a young celebrity get the one marry sugar daddy like that? Before you see a young celebrity get go born for sugar daddy, you know so that sugar daddy money long. Now the same thing. Now game now of them they play. So stop hating on people when you don't know their story. Stop the hate. Don't force people to apologize when they don't do wrong or when they are not ready to. Let it come out of their mind. Because most of you try to pressure this woman. You will not do it if you're in her shoes. You will never do it. Thank you very much, everyone. I really appreciate you. Thank you for this live broadcast. Please, always join me. I also have a live broadcast on Sunday. Please, don't forget to join me on Sunday at 5:30. I think 5:30 in the evening. Please, we'll still raise this matter again. We go raise this matter. If it not be direct to these people, maybe they will forgive everybody before then. But there's still similar matter we need to talk. Honestly, we must talk this matter because some people hate you for no reason. Especially that one when I talk just now, say somebody bully Ebony for this media and say Ebony not tell and say they go Europe. Now that one cause their corner when they know they play. But today we call that one get husband for Europe here. But the husband never bring her call. I love you all wherever you are watching me from. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I hold no grudges. I hold no hate on anybody. Whether you like me or you don't like me, you insult me or you don't insult me, I hold no hate on you. I know that it's just your way of understanding. With time, last, everybody go day okay. Well, yeah, I'm on a good night. Thank you, my people.